Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Power the recorder or camera and display its QR code on the label or system screen. Open the HikConnect or IVMS 4500 app and sign in. Make sure you allow camera access when prompted, because the app needs it to scan. Also, ensure your phone is on the same LAN, typically the 2.4 GHz network, since many devices only join that band. Once done, tap Add Device and choose the Scan QR option to start capturing. You now position the phone so the QR inhabits the viewfinder. Hold about 15 to 30 centimeters away for fast autofocus. When the app reads the code, follow prompts. Enter the device verification code if asked, or switch to manual SN or IP entry if scanning fails. Next, set a secure temporary password and pick the stream type, main or sub, to balance quality versus bandwidth. Make sure the device network settings match your router. Then tap Confirm to proceed. You finish by naming the device and saving settings, then open Live View to confirm video and audio, because that proves the connection works. Once satisfied, test remote access by turning off Wi-Fi and reconnecting over mobile data to ensure HikConnect reaches the recorder. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Retry scanning with better lighting, enter the device SN and verification code manually, or perform a factory reset on the camera to regenerate the QR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.